Biryani is a delicious, flavourful rice dish with layers of meat steamed all together. It is the ultimate one-pot meal and a must on any dinner party menu, and this classic chicken biryani is a personal favourite. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to master so you can wow your guests or enjoy at home. Firstly, we need to marinate the chicken, and this is what you'll need. 1 whole chicken cut into pieces. Here are the spices. You'll also need grated ginger and garlic, green chilies, lemon juice and yogurt. Mix everything together and coat the chicken. Cover with cling film and put in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but ideally overnight. For the chicken layer, you'll also need chopped onions and tomatoes. Heat up some oil on a medium heat and fry the onions until a light golden colour. Add the chicken and continue frying for about 5 to 10 minutes and then add the chopped tomatoes. The chicken will release some liquid. Continue cooking until this is dry. For the rice layer, we'll need some basmati rice, which I've soaked for at least 1 hour. We'll also need some oil, bay leaves and salt. In a muslin cloth, I use these whole spices. Knot it tightly to make a bouquet garni. Add these to some hot water and then bring to a boil, and then add the rice. Simmer on a low to medium heat until the rice is just over half cooked. Then remove the bouquet garni and drain the rice. Now we can begin the layering process with the rice and chicken mixture. You'll also need chopped coriander and mint leaves, saffron bloomed in hot milk, cold cubed butter and fried onions. In a large pot, spread out a third of the rice and top with half of the chicken, then sprinkle half of the fried onions, coriander and mint leaves and cubed butter. Repeat this once more and top with the rest of the rice. Drizzle with the saffron milk. Tightly cover with foil and put the lid on and steam on a very low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the biryani is steaming, let's make the raita, which is a yogurt condiment. This is simply grated cucumber and carrot mixed in plain yogurt. Now the biryani is ready, gently mix this a little and serve. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and pomegranate seeds for a majestic look. This show-stopping biryani tasted incredible, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do give this a try. Stay safe and see you in my next video.